Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a bakery logo. First, define your bakery's unique brand identity. Consider what makes your business special and who your ideal customers are. Researching competitor logos helps you understand current trends and ensures your design stands out. Finally, brainstorm visual elements that truly represent your bakery's delicious offerings and overall style. This foundational work is crucial for a successful and memorable logo that resonates with your audience. Next, focus on the key design elements. Your color palette should evoke warmth and freshness, perhaps using 1 to 3 primary colors. Select 2 to 3 legible fonts that truly reflect your bakery's unique personality, whether it's classic or modern. Incorporate relevant imagery, such as a charming cupcake, a delicate croissant, or a rustic wheat stalk, to visually communicate your delicious offerings. These choices significantly impact your logo's overall feel. When designing, always prioritize simplicity. A clean, uncluttered logo is far more memorable and easily recognizable, even at a quick glance. Ensure your design is versatile, looking great across dozens of applications, from tiny social media icons to large storefront signs and product packaging. Test its effectiveness in both small and large formats to guarantee clarity and impact, ensuring it remains strong and legible everywhere it appears. Finally, it's time to refine and finalize your creation. Gather constructive feedback from a diverse group of people. Their fresh perspectives can highlight areas for improvement you might have missed. Make any necessary revisions to enhance clarity, balance, and overall visual impact. Once perfected, prepare your final logo files in various professional formats, such as vector and raster, ensuring it's ready for every possible use across all your branding materials.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.